Hello friends, welcome back with a new video. Okay, so today I'm going to discuss a browser commands. So how these browser commands are going to use in the automation anywhere. So we'll see one by one. Okay, so let me open automation anywhere. So here we'll create a new task. Click on new, create new, and then click on taskbar. So here I'll give task name browser underscore commands. So you can give any name. So I'm giving browser commands and then you can click on create and edit button. So once you click on it, that workspace you can see here to create the bot. Okay, the left side you can see variables, actions and triggers. So using actions only we are going to create our bot. Okay, so here you can see a lot of commands are available in automation anywhere. But as of now we are saying the browser command. I'm just typing the browser here. So once you type browser in this text box, so you can see all the commands which are available in this, so you can able to see it. So now you just mouse over on the open command, you can see that opens the specified web page in the browser. Using this one you can able to open your page, web page. I'll just double click on it. So once you double click on it, so you can see in the right side what to open. So you can open a new window or else a new tab or a new existing tab. Okay, so first we'll see a new window. Okay, and so the default browser you need to select. Okay, so if you made this Google Chrome as a default browser, you just select as a default browser, or else you are not did any default browser, you select any of one, like you are having a Chrome or Edge, so anything, whichever the browser you have installed in your laptop or machine, you select that. So now I'm selecting default browser because I made my Google Chrome as a default browser. Okay, so here link to open, what you need to open. So just I'll give www.google.com. I'm going to open this Google page. I'm just clicking on save button and now run the bot. So once you click on run button, so it is going to deploy the bot in your machine, I mean in your computer, and then it will open the Google Chrome and open the google.com page. Okay, now your bot has run successfully. So you can see that it is loading. So it already opened the Google page here. Okay, so now we'll go back to automation anywhere and we'll check this new tab now. Okay, I'll just click on new tab. So now it has to open the new tab. So instead of google.com, I'll just give amazon.in. Okay, now it has to open. One second. We need to click on this refresh window. Then that whatever the opened windows will be there, right? Those are get refreshed, and then you need to select it from this drop down. So here I'll select Google, and then what to open I'll select amazon.in. So now click on save button and run the bot. So now it is going to open the amazon.in page in the Chrome browser. See, it has opened the amazon.in the Google page, I mean in the Chrome browser. So this is how we need to open a new tab. Okay, now we saw that how to open the new window and a new tab. Okay, so now we'll see one more option. Let me go back to automation anywhere. Click on close button and then you select the existing tab. Okay, so click on refresh window, and once you click on it, so it is refreshing the windows, and then select the drop down. So here I'm selecting in the existing tab. Now it will open google.com instead of that Amazon. See, in that page it is opening Google. So this is how we need to open the existing tab. Inside that existing tab you are opening whatever you want, you can open that. You can open that URL. So you saw how to open new window, new tab and existing tab. Now we'll go back to close. Okay, just double click on this, and I'm just disabling this task. So close means you can close all browsers, close window and close tab. So here before that I'll go to this Chrome browser because all three are google.com, right? I will just change this one, amazon.in. I'll just select this. So now I'll close the Google. So just click on refresh, and once you click on that refresh button, so here you need to select the drop down. So which tab you need to close. So now I am going to close the Amazon page. Okay, I'm just clicking on save and then run the bot. So it is going to close that page. Okay, now bot run is started. It has closed the Amazon page now. I mean Amazon tab. So now we can see window. How to close window. Okay, I'll just click on this window tab now. Then again you just refresh it. So in background it is going to refresh again, and from the drop down you need to select which window you need to close. So again I will select Google now, and then I will save this and click on run. So once you run this, so now it is going to close the google.com window, which is already opened in the Chrome browser. Okay, so it closed that window. See, one second, it is already closed the Google Chrome window. So we need to reopen that. So if you use this command, all browser command, so it is whichever the browsers it has opened in your laptop, like Chrome, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, all browser it is going to close it. You just select all browser and run this one. It is going to close all. Okay. So now we'll see go back command. Just double click on it. I'll just disable this task. Okay. So the Chrome browser is already closed. I will just reopen manually. Because I need to perform this go back action in that. So let Google Chrome open. After that, we'll open one of the URL in that Google Chrome, and we'll use this command. So how this command is going to work, we'll see. Okay. Yeah. So it is opening the Google Chrome. Okay. So here I'll give again. So Amazon dot in I'll give. So I have opened this page. You see the difference here. Amazon.India I will use. You see the difference. So now I have opened this page. After this, I'm just clicking on shop online at Amazon India. Great deals on Amazon. So I'm clicking on this page. Now I'm into this page. So what I will do, so we'll check this go back command here. Just click on refresh button, and after refreshing it, you need to select the window from this drop down. So what I'm selecting this one. So it is already open, right? Online shopping site in India. Okay. Now what it will do, it has to go back to the previous page. Okay, I'm running this one. So Amazon.India I gave, right? So that page it will go back. So bot run is started. It is going back to the, see, it is going back to the first window. So using that go back command, you can what we'll use now we'll use get source code. So using this one, you just refresh it, and that source code of that page, that URL, I mean that website page, it will provide. So now I'm selecting 500 beautiful flower image window, and then I'll just click on capture object. So it is going to capture this. I'll just click this. So after selecting this flower, so what it will do, it will take the source code of it. That HTML background source code will be there, right? So it is going to take that one. Okay, but so this one we need to store it in one of the variable. Okay, see it is selected now. So here you save the outcome to the variable. So how to create variable? You just click on it, create a variable, or else here we have the option variables. So you just click on it and then click on this plus button, create variables. So here only I will click, just create a variable source code. You just specify v source code, and then this is type of text, and I'll just click on create and select, and after this I'll take one message box, so it has to display that source code, right? One second, we are into a variable, so I'll just close this, and we need to select this accents. So inside this we need to type message box. So you just select this. Inside this message box you need to display that message. You can insert a value, or else you can type F2. So if you press that F2, this insert a value, it will come. That variable we need to select. V source code variable we created, right? We need to select this and click on yes insert, and then save this one. And I'm going to run this one. What it will do, it is going to take the source code from that web page. Okay, you can see that this is how it will take all the source code from that particular web page. It is taking the source code. So using that command, you can take the source code. So now we'll go back to this automation anywhere. So now again we'll type browser. So here we saw that open command, go back and close download files, get source code, and then find broken links. Okay, find broken links in the sense, so it is going to take that invalid, I mean broken links from that particular web page. So for that, what I will do, I'll just create one file here in the bot download folder. I'll create one CSV file here, new, and you just create that CSV file here. Broken links. Okay, you just give dot CSV. Yes. Okay, broken links. Now we'll go back to here. So I'll just find broken links command. I will take it, and here we need to specify the page URL. I'll take that, it is already open, right? So for this website URL I will take. You need to specify here. So after this, check only this page, check the whole site. So I will select this one, check only this page, because it will take lot of time. So browse, save list of location, where we need to save that broken links. So I have already created one file, right? So go to the downloads folder and bot downloads, and then you select this file and open. Okay, it will take that path. See here. Then I'll save this and I'll run this one. So how this is going to take a broken links from that web page, we can see that. Okay, it will take some times, because it has to check all that entire web page, and then it has to take that broken links. It is running now, and it is taking all the broken links from that web page, and it is going to store that broken links inside that CSV file which we have created. Okay, it is completed. Your bot run is completed. Now we'll go back to that page. So here you just open that broken links CSV file. You'll get to know all the links it is going to store here, that broken links. See here, you can see URL and the status. That broken links URL you can see, and status is successful, successful, successful. So it has extracted all the broken links. This is how we can use this broken links command. Okay, we saw all the browser commands in the today's session. So we'll discuss on this run the JavaScript and call a JavaScript function. So when we are creating a JavaScript, in the next session we'll saw this one. Okay, thank you for watching. So we'll see you in